Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Today we're going to make a delicious pasta primavera to take advantage of all of the flavors that spring has to offer. I'm going to start by finely mincing some garlic cloves and finely dicing half of a small red onion. I'm going to let my pan heat up to medium heat and drizzle in some olive oil. Then I'll take my onion and my garlic and place it right into the pan. And then we'll let that sizzle for a couple minutes. And meanwhile, I'm gonna chop up my asparagus. And then once my onions are translucent, I'll add my pieces of asparagus to the pan. I don't want to overcook my asparagus. I still want them to be nice and crisp in the dish. So after a couple minutes, I'm going to add right away my frozen peas. I'm just going to gently stir everything together until it's nice and heated through. And while that's heating up, I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper. And then add to the pan some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then right away, add my cooked rigatoni and toss everything together. And there's no real heavy sauce in this recipe, just some juices like lemon juice and some pasta water, and then we'll add some Parmesan cheese to tie everything together. Stir everything together, and then you'll see a nice thin sauce just start to coat the pasta with the cheese and the pasta water and the lemon juice. So go ahead at this point and we'll turn off the heat. And then I like to add lots of fresh herbs for a burst of flavor. So in my garden at the moment I have some dill and some chives, so I'm gonna add that right in. Give it a stir and you're ready to serve with more fresh herbs and freshly grated cheese. You can find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.